So we have about 3 hours left here on this Jeep, and I wanted to go ahead and do a quick little walk around, going over some of the cool features, the attention to detail on this rig here. Everything is nice and tidy. We did include some photos of some of the paint imperfections, like here. You got the nice diamond plate on the door cards there. Here are the seats. You got the big JBL soundbar up here. Take a look at all the AC controls there. All the gauges work and the speed is accurate. Soft top is included. Matching spare. Winch and big old bumper in the front. Let's go ahead and head to the back and swing out the spare. So got a pin here. Nicely swings out and has a lock right there so it doesn't damage anything right there. You got the tailgate here, which has 2 latches right there. Open this up. There's one on each side. Opens up there. We got seat belts in the rear for the bench seat. Let's go ahead and take a look at on the passenger side here. Nice little center console with cup holders. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. I would be happy to assist. If you'd like a shipping quote, you can also use the contact seller button. And if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, go ahead and use the contact seller button and we'll be happy to start a conversation. Good luck, bidders.